How to hide archived chats on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial, and before getting into WhatsApp, open your app store and make sure the app is up to date. Mine is showing update here, so I will go ahead and update the app. And once updated, open the WhatsApp application on your device. Now in chats, you can see there is an option for archived. It is basically done to hide secretive messages or messages you don't very much like, but don't want to delete the entire text either. So in order to hide the archive option, go to settings and click on chats. Go ahead and toggle off the keep chats archived option. Once toggled off, the archived chats will remain archived when you receive a message. Now, if you go back to see the chat and see the archive option is no longer available there. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.